This is tutorial number 41, and it covers how to use the multi-pad feature within Catia V5. To start off, open up the new Catia V5 part. Now, what we're going to do in this tutorial is cover the multi-pad, and what that is it's just like the pad feature, except that from one sketch with multiple profiles, we're able to extrude multiple pads with different heights. So to start off, the multi-pad is found right here, and you can find it if you click Insert, Sketch Base Feature, and Multi-Pad. So what we have to do first is create a sketch with multiple closed profiles. So let's click this plane here and click Sketch, and let's do just that. Let's do some circles. So let's do one circle, another circle, and one last circle. So let's dimension all these circles. So let's make this one here 100. We'll make this one here 50. And we'll make this one here 20. Now if we click the Sketch Analysis tool, so let's go to Tools, Sketch Analysis, we're going to see that we have 3 closed profiles. So we're going to be able to make 3 multi-pads with different heights. So now let's get out of this workbench and let's use the multi-pad. So let's get multi-pad and click the sketch. And now we have 3 different closed sketches that we get to put different heights and dimensions for. So as you go through it, you're able to change how high each of them are going to go. So let's click the first one and let's make it 100. Click the next one and let's make it 50. And we'll click the last one and we'll make it 20. Now click Preview and you get to see all 3 previewed. So you can see that from the one sketch we're going to have 3 different heights of an extrude. Now let's click OK. And now we have our 3 different heights from the one sketch. Now if you open up your part body, you can see that there is a multi-pad and the one sketch. And if we want to adjust this, all we have to do is double click on the multi-pad and we're back in here and we're able to change the dimensions. So for 100, let's put it down to 10. Click OK. And now it's only at 10. Now let's do a few more. So let's click this plane here, click Sketch, and let's do a few squares. So let's draw some squares up here. And let's exit this workbench. And from this sketch, we're going to do some more multi-padding. So let's click multi-pad, click on the sketch, and again we have 3 sketches and 3 different extrusions to play with. So let's click number 1, and like the normal pad, the drafted filleted pad, we only have the dimension tool available right now. So let's change this to 100. Now if we click more, we're going to get more parameters to play with. So as we've extruded it out, you can reverse the direction and it's going to change where it's going to extrude. Now you can keep playing with that and you can make a second dimension, a second limit off of it. So let's do 300, click Preview, and you can see that it's going to go 300 behind it. So the second limit is like the reverse direction, but we're also able to reverse it and make it go 300 or whatever we want in the opposite direction. So now let's click this one here. Let's make it go 50 one way, and let's make it go 50 the other way. Click Preview, and if we zoom in, we've made kind of like a cube, and it looks like it's this is like a mid-plane, and it's extruding out both ways. And let's do the last one. We'll make it 100. Click Preview, and we'll just reverse the direction of it. And when you reverse the direction of one, it's going to reverse the direction of all. So as you can see, I want to reverse the direction of this guy, so it's going to go this way. Now say that I only wanted this to go 100 that way and 300 that way. I'm going to have to go back in and adjust it. So I'm going to make the first one 300 and the last one 100. Click preview, and now I got the dimensions and the look I want. Then just click OK, and you get your multi-pad extrude. So this is a good tool, again, if you have multiple profiles and you want to extrude them out different heights all at once. It saves you a little bit of time rather than creating, in this case, 3 different sketches and extruding 3 times. All you have to do is create one sketch, one pad, and it saves you a bit of time from going back and forth between sketches and back and forth between the pad feature. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the multi-pad feature within Catia V5.